I mean, we're coming in with the #1 seed. Everyone's kind of expecting us to cruise through all the games till we get downstate.
We say this all the time, we want to survive and advance, and that's literally what happened tonight.
I just knew, like, it's either I turn up, like, change the game, or I'm never going to have another opportunity in my high school career. So.
Nothing seemed to be going right for us. We had bad turnovers in situations where we were trying to cut that lead. We just, you know, everything, all that momentum seemed to go towards them. It's one of the beauties of the state tournament is, you know, if you're a senior and this is your last chance on the floor, you get kids that kind of rise to the occasion and make big plays. Then you saw it again with Nick Martinelli. Being down, he willed us to win tonight.
It just pushed me so much more knowing that I had my career on the line. And all my teammates were telling me just give Nick the ball and let him go. And I got the opportunity, and thank God that I was able to make my free throws, score at the rim.
I'm just looking, we got to win this game. We have a drill called Badger Ball. It's no dribbles, 4-on-4. You got to trap. So in those last few minutes, we were full court press and trapping. That's just kind of what we went back to. We do that drill every day.
Right now, we're back to being a 0-0 team, and now we got to worry about our next opponent.